Why do I think that prenatal coaching is crucial and essential to birth support professional success? Because I've been practicing as a transformational birth support coach for almost a decade and provided many prenatal coaching sessions to my clients. And it led me to write my book, The Art of Coaching for Childbirth, to establish Birth Coach Method, and to lead my amazing community of transformational birth support coaches. And you can be the next. But you know what? I think you've heard me talking about this for months, and probably many of you watched my videos. So today I want to do something a little different. Today I want to share the words of a recent client, doula client of mine, Hannah, who wrote a review on Yelp just recently that brought me to tears, because her sincere words are everything that I stand for, everything that I try to achieve. And to hear it from a client who is sharing the value of shifting the focus to prenatal coaching sessions, that can be really valuable for you and really convince you that this is your pathway to success. Okay, you ready? Let me share my screen with you really quickly and take you over to the Yelp listing. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So, first of all, I want you to notice the date so that you can see it's very recent. I'm still very touched and honored to receive this amazing review on Yelp. But now let's skip the first paragraph, because the first paragraph is raving about me, and it's not about me. It really is about the strategies that I can teach you that will help you lead prenatal coaching sessions, amazing prenatal coaching sessions with amazing results. Okay. So the second paragraph, Hannah says, Neri offered multiple prenatal sessions that focused on the birth and our family situation, decision-making process, and parenthood in general. And you can see it here at the very first line. And this is when she speaks about the value of seeing our clients in the context of their life, getting to know our clients as a whole, which is something that only we can do as prenatal coaches. We are learning about their lifestyles, about their past experiences, their careers, their family situation, their traditions, the model of parenting they have in mind, their body image, and so much more, so that we can actually get to them and lead them and understand who they are and see them. Hannah is talking about the value of not just giving tools for birth, but actually learn our clients and who they are. Hannah says, I was anxious about giving birth and all the medical interventions. She, which means me, helped me clear my thoughts. She doesn't only listen to this, she doesn't only offer tools, but actually makes you think through stuff, which I found to be challenging at first, but actually helped me to speak aloud about what I wanted my birth to look like. So I've been trying to say this for a long time now. When you actually help your clients to think through and challenge them maybe, but prenatally, they will rise up and they will be empowered and they will generate strong convictions that will help them then to advocate for themselves. And as a doula, you won't need to engage in conflicts or to whisper in your clients' ears. They are going to be very well prepared to stand in their power and say aloud what it is that they want. Okay. What we're doing as coaches is help our clients adopt new habits, new behaviors that are going to help them to achieve the results that they want, the experiences that they want, their goals. And so when you become a transformational coach and when you provide a series of prenatal coaching sessions, you engage your clients in actions and you make sure they're accountable to do what it takes to achieve the experience that they hired you for. Okay. I've been telling you over and over again that when you shift the focus to prenatal coaching, You're going to spend fewer hours in L&D providing physical support to your clients. And the only time that you can actually lead the change that we want to see in our clients is prenatally. During birth, there is very little change we can lead. We can support, be engaged, hold a safe container, reassure, encourage, but really changing the mindset and creating the change that we want to see in birth givers as they stand in their power and claim their autonomy, that happens prenatally. And so the fourth paragraph, which I'm going to show you now, we're going to read it together, speaks exactly about that. So Hannah says, I originally wanted a doula who comes to our home, that's me, to support us when the labor is going on. But at the end, I felt so confident in my ability to manage labor that me and my husband stayed at home alone, talked to Mary on the phone, but in the end, did not call her to come over when the time would have been right. She meant when I was dilating, because they, as you can see, arrived hospital fully dilated. And she said it has been my wish to stay home as long as possible since I wanted natural birth. And I believe that the help I got from Neri, she's talking about the prenatal help, made it possible for me to trust the process and have the courage to stay at home. I was fully dilated when arriving the hospital, and Neri was at the front door waiting for us. And I would love to show you how to do it and teach you the prenatal coaching strategies that I developed in my upcoming workshop, Prenatal Coaching, Powerful and Result-Oriented Conversations for Birth and Postpartum. I'm going to lead this workshop on Saturday, March 11 at 10 a.m. It's going to be a 6-hour virtual workshop in which we're going to practice with case studies and practice with this prenatal coaching kit that I prepared for this workshop. You're going to get it as soon as you register. And it's your pathway to great results in birth support. I hope to see you there. Bye for now.